Hello everyone, welcome to Management Kaksha, a one-stop solution for all your management queries. We are continuing with the organizing series. To watch the previous video on features and basic elements of organizing, click on the link above. In today's video, we'll be discussing steps in organizing or the organizing process. Important questions for this topic will be shared at the end of the video, so hang in there. The first step in the organizing process is identifying activities for achieving the objectives. The obvious first step in the process of organizing is to identify the work that has to be done by the organization. This is the ground level from which we will begin. So the manager needs to identify the work and the task to be done to achieve the goals of the organization. Identification of the work helps avoid miscommunication, overlapping of responsibilities, and wastage of time and effort. The second step is grouping the similar activities. For the sake of a smooth flow of work and smooth functioning of the organization, similar tasks and activities should be grouped together. Hence, we create departments within the company and divisions within each department. Such an organization makes the functioning of the company way more systematic. Depending on the size of the organization and the volume of work, an organization can have several departments and divisions, and every department has a manager representing them at the top level of management. The third step is defining responsibilities for each employee. The responsibility or duties of each employee are clearly defined. This will result in the selection of the right person for the right job. He or she will know exactly what to do and what not to do, and therefore resulting in efficiency. The fourth step is delegating authority to employees. Each employee is delegated or given the authority. Without authority, the employees cannot carry out their responsibilities. Authority is the right to give orders and the power to get obedience. Responsibility is the obligation of a subordinate to perform a duty which has been assigned to him by the superior. The authority given to an employee should be equal to the responsibility given to him. The fifth step is providing employees all required resources. After defining the authority relationships, the employees are provided with all the material and financial resources which are required for achieving the objectives of the organization. So in this step, the employees actually start working for a common goal. The last step in the process of organizing is coordinating efforts of all to achieve the goals. Finally, the manager must ensure that all activities carried out by various employees and groups are well coordinated. Otherwise, it may lead to conflicts between employees, duplication of work, and wastage of time and effort. He must ensure that all the departments are carrying out their specialized tasks and there is harmony in these activities. The ultimate aim is to ensure that the goal of the organization is fulfilled. The important questions for this topic are: which of these is necessary to be in place before the organization function can be carried out? A plan, a strategy, a schedule, or a goal? Write down your answers in the comment section. Explain in detail the process of organizing? Answer. In the next video, we will discuss the principles of organizing. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content.